going to go through the tutorial now. So in this tutorial, we're going to just have a new integer coming into the contract that's going to add a new value to the table. So we're just
Pay attention.
we are just going to modify from what we've already got. So I'm going to start here with that new integer we need to add. Int 64. So this creates a new argument of type unsigned integer, 64 bits. And I also need to define in the table that we're going to store some new data. Save that. Don't need to do anything else. Now here, I need to have that same signature. So uint.
It's so easy when you see it.
Yeah. Just checking that's the same thing. So now our logic, as we've got in the tutorial, is if it's a new row in the table, we're just going to add it in there. Message dot num equals plus x from the argument. And if the row is already in the table, we're going to update the message, and we are going to sum the previous values here. So message.plusx, message.num plus equals plus x. This is going to add it to whatever value is already there.
You're missing a S.
Cool. So I'm going to compile that.
You're also missing an S up there.
Nice. Boom.
Here's the screen. But need students go.
Yeah. Boom. We are making progress. Save. Yeah.
We can see that.
So I'm going to build a new contract. Hopefully not too many people are building on EOS Studio at the moment.
We should download our own if possible.
It works pretty much the same. You actually get more features. You can so this here is using a public node. You can see it here. All kinds of information. When you have the desktop version, you can have different nodes with different versions and lots of different configuration.
Yeah, that's cool.
You can see down here it's producing blocks. This is on the block production node. Cool.
See it's every half a second it's creating a new.
Okay, so that has failed, so I'm going to try that again. Let's stay on this account. Nobody pressed build at the moment.
So how many people besides us normally would you say that it is?
I'm not sure how many people use this once. EOS Studio would know.
But it's not just us, so.
This is public. For sure.
Yeah, but I imagine that a lot of people running this off-chain, they're not using the web.
Yeah, I mean, if this starts to get congested, that's the option. Okay, so we are built. Now, before I deploy this, super important that I clear the data that's currently in the contract. I have to clear this data. And the reason is because I've changed the data structure. And if I don't clear this data first, it won't understand how to read the new data structure and clear that. So I need to clear this first. Boom. Cleared. If I refresh this, that data is now gone. So now I can deploy it. You must, if you change data structures, really only if you change data structure do you need to change things. So I'll now deploy this. Boom. So this has now been updated with the new logic. I'll call hi again with my account. Hello, whoa, 12. String 1 and my number 1. So I execute the action with has an error. Shit, hey, now I can't even see this error value. Oh. Okay, this seems to be happening when we have that not cleared thing. So I haven't done the cleared thing right, apparently.
Yeah, because I did exactly what you did, and I
Yeah.
got the same error. So I clearly cleared the database.
Okay, I mean, I'm not exactly sure about this. I think today we're not going to go
So
and figure debug this. So the solution at the moment is just create a new account,
yeah, that's what I did.
which is going to work, but in theory it shouldn't do that. So no contract. Try again. Let's try it. So boom, I did not have the right authorization because I'm authorizing here. This is where it defines the authorization. I'm authorizing with hello 1.2 here. So I'm going to change to hello world 2.2 here.
That's cool that show that, because now we can debug that.
Yep. Now I execute it. I can look at the transaction here by clicking on this. It shows you the action here. It shows you what changed in the database, table operations, stuff like this.
Showing you how much RAM you used as well, so you can see the cost.
Who was billed for the RAM, and here's that value. So now I'm going to put in a new string and add these numbers together, and you can see that's now 2. So now that's what we're going to do, and you guys can keep going with the rest of the tutorial.